There's two things I can't stand. Number one, it's 2024, and if the front of your windshield looks like this, then oh my goodness, you are still in 2002. Number two is the terrible and irresponsible drivers that are causing people getting into all these types of accidents. Today, I am bringing you guys the best dash cam for your Toyota Camry. If you need a dash cam, I highly recommend this dash cam Fitcamx has made for us. This is the most clean and slick looking camera that when you're driving, you're really not even going to notice that you have a dash cam while driving. I'm going to share with you guys what this dash cam has when you ordered it and once you receive it. Here we have a USB if you do want to transfer any types of files. You have this harness. I'm going to teach you guys how to install this with these cables. It's very easy. Do not be intimidated. So this is the tool that comes with this dash cam. This is really everything you need. You don't need any other tools, which makes this much easier. The first step you want to do, we're going to go ahead and bring down the mirror. Put this on the top and just like this, bring it down. And that just fell down, which is totally normal. Because this is new, you're probably going to have to manhandle this, but as you can see, the clips, they're still intact. This is not broken. This still is very useful. If this were to break, Fitcamx actually sends you another piece of these, which is really awesome because these may break because they're plastic and plastic breaks. Honestly, these side by side, they look identical. This is your original piece from your car, and this is the dash cam. Now, what you want to do is we want to remove these clips and transfer them over to the dash cam. This is very easy, and I'm going to show you how to get this done real quick. And the same way we remove those from the original piece, we're going to go ahead and install them onto the dash cam. Very easy. It is not difficult at all. The next step is you want to make sure your car is completely turned off. So the original piece from the car has already been removed. Now here comes the most easiest part, which is this harness right here. Here we have this connection. That is the one that your car has. So we're going to go ahead and run this cable, the white one, onto where you removed the car connection and connect it right there. And once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and now connect the one you removed onto the one that has this little foam looking sleeve. So this is what it looks like, the car connection down to the foam connector, and then we have the wire running down directly onto the car, and that leaves us hanging with this little guy right here. And this is what's gonna power your dash cam. And the SD card they send you is actually this 64GB card. Now, if 64GB isn't good enough for you, then that's up to you if you want to upgrade. For me, I think that's gonna be good for now. This wire has an arrow, so really all you want to do is just make sure this is lined up and press it together, and just like that, this really should be it. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove this little plastic film coverage. So these are the steps that you must do in order to watch the videos that are recorded onto your dash cam. Make sure you follow these steps so you can access all the clips that this dash cam does record for you. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that everything this dash cam has is 100% awesome and amazing. There's one thing that I really did not like, and that was the application used on the phone. It was very slow, and when I wanted to access my videos, there was a lot of lag, and it took a really long time for me to actually watch the videos. Personally, to me, I really did not like that. So the good thing that they do include the USB, so you can remove the SD card from the dash cam, plug it into the USB, and I'm positive there will be no lag or anything like that going on when trying to access these clips. Probably one of the main questions that all of you have is that if this dash cam affects any of these types of things. Now, I've been using this dash cam for a while now, and the answer is no. I haven't experienced any issues whatsoever. I haven't had any sensor go off on my dashboard while driving. So this dash cam is really doing its job. without any issues. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next one.